choose my friends only far too well. I'm up on the pavement, they're all down in the cellar with their government grant. My IQ, they brought me down to size academia blues. Louise is a girl, I know her well. She's up on the pavement, yeah, she's a weather girl. I'm staying up here, so I may be undone. She's inappropriate, but then she's much more fun. And when she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain. She's got perfect skin. Shame on you, you got no sense of grace. Shame on me, just in case I might come to a conclusion other than that which is absolutely necessary. Perfect skin. Louise is the girl with the perfect skin. She says turn on the light, otherwise you might get seen. She's got cheekbones like geometry and eyes like silver. She's sexually enlightened by cosmopolitan. When she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain toward her perfect skin. Truly perfect. She takes me down to the basement to look at her slide to a family life. Pretty weird at times at the age of 10. She looked like Greta Garbo and I loved her then. How is she to know that when she smiles my way, my eyes go out in vain toward her perfect skin. Up 8 flights of stairs to a basement flat, pretty confused how being shipped around like that. Seems we climbed so high, now we're down so low. Strikes me the moral of the song must be there never has been one.